Today we're going to be making a tequila sunrise the legit way. What does that mean? I don't know. Keep watching. Welcome to Alma de Agave Cocktails. I'm Derek. That is Ian. Today we're going to be showing you how to make the, what do we do? Tequila sunrise. Because it's May, and May is going to be the month of tequila. Cinco de Mayo is past.
Well, for us,
2 days ago.
For us, it's
2 days from tomorrow.
For you, it's...
For you guys, it was 2 days ago, because this is going out on Monday. Jennifer's going to have to edit this right up quick.
Something like that,
I don't know.
2 days yesterday?
2 days yesterday, you guys were celebrating Cinco de Mayo. Now, all month in May, you celebrate Cinco de Mayo. So we're going to make this tequila sunrise. I'm going to break down the recipe for you. Ready?
It's right, because it's building glass, right? No, you tell me. Don't, I'm not gonna jump the gun.
Don't listen. Wait, no, listen. Just, I don't know. So it's going to be 1.5 ounces tequila. I'm using añejo tequila. It's going to be 4 ounces of freshly squeezed orange juice and 1/2 ounce of real grenadine. Don't use that roses crap. So this is a simple recipe. There's no need to skimp on the ingredients. So we're using Alma tequila. We're going to use Alma añejo because we partnered with Alma for the entire month of May. For all of our tequila-based cocktails, we're going to be using one or a variety of tequilas from Alma. I don't know if I have any that actually use two. I know we'll be going through... I don't think we're going to need extra añejo, but we'll have ones with Blanco, Reposado, and añejo. So if you're looking for a new tequila brand to think about, start thinking about these guys. I was itching to just say the official tequila of Alma de Agave Cocktails.
Are you going to do it?
I just did.
Oh, I guess
because if you think about it, like that's what the Patriots do with everything.
It's like a
tequila
screwdriver here.
It is. It's like a tequila. Well, hold on, because we have one of those coming.
Oh, is it?
That's a different recipe.
This is what happens when I don't plan ahead and read up and all that stuff.
You didn't read up, so I'm going to read you some history. This is originally contained tequila, creme de cassis, lime, and soda water. It was created by Jean Solit, I don't know, in 1930 or 1940, plus or minus 10 years. Today, the new recipe is made by Bobby Lazoff and Billy Rice in the early 70s, popularized in around 1972 by McJagger, and Tequila Sunrise, I'm thinking the Eagles. You know, basically, it got around. The name come up, everybody started wanting to order it because famous people were ordering it, and thus you have the creation of a Tequila Sunrise. We're using the añejo in here, right? So, the Alma añejo is aged 18 months. So if you've watched our video right here, you're going to see how you break down the different tequila by ages, because I never remember what they are. But I wrote them down. I have cards this time, because I don't want to be an idiot. Well, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want to be too much.
You do what you can, right?
Yeah.
Some things are out of your control.
That's just how life happens to throw you. So,
Serenity prayer.
When you're doing a legit... what is this? Tequila Sunrise. The fact that we're using a real, what do you call this stuff? Grenadine.
Real grenadine.
A
It's going to
pomegranate.
mix more than it is going to sink like
Right.
syrup would.
It's not going to be, you can see the darkness. Told you he was going to come through the back door. You can see the darkness rising to the yellow. That's what I said. Dan likes the back door. And so that is because we don't have red number 40. Right? So you're using actual pomegranates to color this. The only alternative is to add more grenadine to this drink, which is completely doable, but I don't want to do that. Yeah, it's just going to make it too sweet. Yeah.
We don't want to do that.
So that, my friends, I'm going to drink it. Oh, first drink of the night. Hits you right here. Actually, it's got a nice little sweetness to it.
It does.
Fresh orange juice is the key because it doesn't have any of that weird fakey fake orange juice flavor. Or
likey.
This is really easy to drink.
It's very refreshing. It's a little sweet.
Mm-hmm. You're sucking off the bottom.
Yeah. Well, I did the slide whistle suck.
Oh.
Slide whistle.
Trademark, patent pending.
You gotta watch the slide whistle suck. I didn't do the slide whistle suck.
That's gonna be a new rap song.
It's gonna have completely new meanings.
That's some interesting lyrics.
Yeah.
This has that salty, citrusy tequila flavor.
Right.
But it's not, even though it's an añejo, it doesn't taste like bourbon.
No.
It still has the
agave flavor.
Yeah, it still tastes like tequila, and I don't know, it doesn't taste like añejo, but from here's another video where Dan, Juliet, and I break down all the different tequila sunrises with the different flavors or the different ages of tequila. And the ones that we tended to prefer was añejo. You at home can use a blanco if you feel like you should, because that's just what you want to do. Nobody's going to harm you.
Yeah, I think they definitely all have their place in different drinks.
Yeah.
Right.
And this drink is so simple that you can kind of get away with doing whatever type of flavor you're looking for.
There's some drinks that we've done where a blanco is far superior to the reposado or the añejos.
Because the blanco does a good job. Like, this drink is very single dimension. It tastes like orange juice, sweetness.
Plus you have the heavy sweetness of the orange juice and the grenadine. So this is going to come through a little bit more.
But when you have something that has a ton of different flavor profiles.
Yeah. Or it's a little more subtle.
Right. This can chainsaw through a lot of those. Like if you're like a basils or a pepper, hot peppers, spicy stuff like that, this one tends to be so bright and upfront that if you use the extra añejo, it's almost like you're losing a lot of its fun factor to what these bring. This is a different type of fun. This is like, so let's start the party, drink a couple beers, and jump in the pool naked.
You'd probably do the blanco for shots if you're going to put in some blanco and some lime juice, shake it up, get a little dilution, and that would be your shot tequila.
That's true.
If you're going to do shots tequila.
If you're going to do shots tequila. Yeah. Not a huge fan. And neither is our executive producer, Cynthia Kupal. Just wanted to throw that out there.
Well, thanks, Cynthia.
For supporting us. You could be like Alma, but on an individual basis, and you could just go to patreon.com/CMC and leave us a couple bucks a month. That would be awesome, like Cynthia did.
Doesn't suck. Does not slide whistle
slide. This drink, the only downfall that I think, and I don't know how we could fix this, but the only thing that, taste it now, the difference is, or maybe it's just because it's built in glass, but it's so much better with the coldness. Before, because you're using 4 ounces of room temperature orange juice.
Yeah.
It's a little bit.
And you don't want to stir it because you
what you
could do is you could do a little shake and
shake
and
the
strain, and then add the grenadine at the end, so
you get
the sunrise effect.
Right.
If you want to do that,
or
it is nice when it chills up, but
it just has that. It's just a little bit tastier, I think.
Yeah.
Crisper.
Right, a little more refreshing.
Yeah. So what you need to do now? First thing you need to do is to go to almadeagave.com and check out their website because
de Agave
Alma. It's right here. Alma de Agave. It's a part of their name. I call it Alma because it's big words. Right. They have a place where you can actually buy it online, which goes to liquorama.net, I believe. Unless you already shop at liquorama.net. I don't because we're in New Hampshire. It doesn't really always work very good. You got one?
No.
Oh,
someone just asked.
There's one from
right.
Stephen that says, "What to do when there's no power due to a wicked storm?"
What would you question today? I'd never asked that question in 10 years.
What do you do?
What do you do when it's storm? I don't think we've ever asked that question. What do you do when you lose power?
Power.
I can tell you in a lot of cases.
I mean, I don't know how you watch CMC if you don't have any power, but
battery.
Yeah, I was wondering that too.
Oh, battery, yeah, cell phone.
Battery.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Cell phone until the tower goes down. You could play a little heads up. That's what we do sometimes because board games are like totally
Yeah,
old.
you can't see board games.
Light a candle, read some comics.
You break out the Blanco because that's the start of the party.
You start here.
Yeah.
And jump in the pool naked.
You just go to bed and hope the power's on when you wake up.
Hey, you know what? I can swim without power.
I think that's your answer to everything.
Yeah, that's Ian's
Yeah, no, I like going to bed. Going to bed's always good. Drink and frap?
No.
What?
What?
Yeah, it says drink and frap.
Okay.
Is that an extra R, Eric, or
Yeah.
or does frap mean something
Like,
that I don't know?
well, frap is a thing you with ice.
You have the slide whistle suck.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, thanks to Alma for supporting it. Thanks for the audience for watching it. Thanks for the slide whistle suck. We have a coupon code
Sure,
for
I
Awesome
was going to
Grace.
appreciate that.
Oh yeah. But whatever. They you know
You know
what?
what they're getting into.
Well, I'm gonna tell you a little bit more
Buyer
about.
beware.
I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about Alma in the next episode in our relationship with Carmet Cocktails. But that's a teaser. So you stick around for Wednesday. 2 more days, dude. Coupon code is Cinco18 at OutStrix.com, where you could go and you could get the bartender starter kit or any of the other syrups if you're looking for some legit grenadine so you can make yourself a good tequila sunrise. The sidebar has every video that we've ever done with the word tequila in it.
Wow.
So there's a lot
That's
of
a lot.
friggin'. It's a playlist that every time you use tequila, it gets put in there. So that's where you're gonna get your cocktails. DJ, don't know how to make a tequila cocktail. That's it. We're teaching you
That's why you go to college to learn these things.
how to drink.